In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to password protect Google Sheets using a free template. Whether you're handling sensitive data or just want to add an extra layer of security, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the process smoothly. Let's get started. First, open a Google Sheet. You can either start with an existing document or create a new one. Once your sheet is open and ready, look to the top menu bar. There, you'll find the Data tab. Go ahead and click on that. This tab is your gateway to accessing various data-related functions and features within Google Sheets. After clicking Data, a drop-down menu will appear. Among the options, locate Protect Sheets and Ranges and select it. This feature is crucial for managing who can edit certain parts of your spreadsheet, providing a measure of control and security over your document. Next, you'll see a side panel pop up on the right side of your screen. Here, you'll find the option to Add a Sheet or Range. Go ahead and click on that. This allows you to specify which parts of your sheet you want to protect, be it the entire sheet or specific ranges within it. Now, from the options provided, select Sheet. This is where you decide whether the protection applies to the entire sheet. If you need to protect just specific cells or sections, you can choose Range. For this tutorial, we're focusing on the entire sheet, so opt for Sheet. It's a straightforward choice that provides comprehensive coverage over your document. With the selection made, your next step is to set permissions. Click on Set Permissions, and you'll be presented with a list of options. These dictate who can edit this sheet or range. You might want to give specific users the ability to edit while keeping it locked for others. If you're working collaboratively, consider these settings carefully to balance security with accessibility. Finally, after configuring the permissions to your satisfaction, click Done. This finalizes your settings. From here on out, only those with the requisite permissions will be able to edit the parts of the sheet you've protected. It's a simple yet effective way to ensure your data remains secure. By following these steps, you've successfully password protected your Google Sheet. Keep in mind that while this process adds protection against unintended edits, sharing your sheet with the right people remains crucial. Always review who has access and adjust as needed to maintain the integrity and confidentiality of your data. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful in enhancing the security of your spreadsheets.